Okay, that was possibly the stupidest error I have ever um, encountered or caused. So what I think was happening is update refers to the all of the posts. But anyway, what we need this to look like is if at post this needs to do if at post dot update post underscore params. We should be rocking. So that is what we should have. Start my server up. Boom, boom, boom. Edit this post. Hello, did this post edit? Hey, check out the Corey's Corner podcast. Update this post. It did update. All right. Yeah, be sure to check out my podcast for sure. All right. So we're going to come back to index. And we're going to add the update and delete buttons over here. Should I do that first or should I? You know what? No, we will do the destroy method. So we need to enable the set post before action method to occur before the destroy action. So we'll come down to the bottom, def destroy at post dot destroy, or no, it might be delete. It's either destroy or delete. I never use this controller, so we're just gonna have to figure this out. So we will go inside of our shell. This is the destroy. Well, I think it's the post path. Yes, it is the post path. So it's post underscore path at post. Then we pass in this method, and it's going to be delete. Then we do data confirm. Are you sure? And I don't know why I have all these. So we'll delete this one. Are you sure? Oh, it's because I didn't redirect. You think you're good at programming until you start trying to make YouTube videos. Redirect. So how did I know it didn't delete? Because we deleted the one with the ID of 2, then I hit delete again, so it's not there. So what we'll do is we'll create a new one. About to delete this post. Wow, my Ruby on Rails tutorial is, I want to say it's pretty good, but I honestly don't know because I've made so many mistakes with you guys. So go over to index, we'll delete this. We redirect back to root, and we see nothing is there. Okay. Take a sip of my smoothie. I think that might be it for this video. Jeez, that was way quicker than I thought. I mean, I could add the buttons to the index screen, but I'm not going to waste your time with that. Um, Forget about that. But I think in the next part of this video, we're going to add comments to each of our posts. Um, so yeah, but first, I actually want to show you something cool. It's called scaffolding in Rails. So a scaffold basically is one command where you can create an entire CRUD application in one command. So we take a look at the controller, and it literally builds the entire controller for us, builds all of our models. It doesn't do validations, but yeah, so scaffolding is a shortcut. You shouldn't use scaffolding in the beginning, but now that I've showed you this, I feel like I trolled you, and I wish I could just throw up a troll thing. So yeah, scaffolding handles the routes. It handles, see, it added the resources. It even has test. Um, but yeah, so play around with scaffolding a little bit. Use it as a reference. So yeah, what took us 3 videos to build, I built in one command with a scaffold, minus the styling. But let me add a reminder here. To do, in next video, we're going to test our index, edit, update, and destroy. And then we are going to add comments. All right. Well, this video went really quick. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my podcast and my Medium video. So if this is your first Rails tutorial, I actually learned Ruby on Rails from this Learn Enough site. They're not paying me or anything at all, but this is far higher quality than my tutorials, right? So this is how I learned Ruby on Rails. It took me a while to get through this Ruby on Rails tutorial. I would do all his tutorials. The guy's name is Michael Hartle. He seems pretty smart considering he has a PhD in physics. And yeah, I really liked his tutorial. You learn a lot from like the command line, CSS, a lot about Rails. Um, it's honestly the next step. It's one of the only things I paid for when learning how to code. I can't recommend it enough. But if you want to stick around with my tutorial and cover some more basic stuff, we're going to go over we're going to make some comments, as I said before, and we'll take it from there. Thank you for watching.